Hey guys, welcome back! So today I am going to teach you a new method where we can earn money easily. Let's earn $5 every minute. Now, this website right here pays out really fast. And they have a lot of different payout methods, so you don't have to worry if you don't have a PayPal account or if you don't have a Skrill account, because there are other ways. Now if you look at here, you can see all these people who have received over $5 per minute. If they can do this, then this is absolutely possible for you 100%. Aside from that, this method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can absolutely do this. You also don't need to spend a dime on this because this method is 100% free. Also, you can do this in any gadget. So if you have a computer or a laptop or even a mobile phone, then this will surely work for you. Also, just make sure you have an internet connection, okay? So stick with me until the end because somewhere in this video, I will also be sharing a method where we can earn $3 whenever we sign up. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new videos like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. So this right here is the website where we can earn money by completing surveys and online offers such as watching videos. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't like surveys because surveys take time and surveys are kind of boring. But what I love about this website is that the surveys here are really easy and it won't take a lot of time. They only take about 2 minutes to complete. So I know that you'll enjoy doing them. Now, if you're wondering if there are other ways to make money online using this website, well, yes, the answer is absolutely yes. In addition to participating in paid surveys, you can also make money online by playing games, watching videos, completing trial offers, and taking part in quick quizzes in your spare time. They said that all of their paid online options are available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, so you can use this website anytime you want. In addition, they also send out payments regularly throughout the day. So once your payment is verified, you never wait for more than a few hours to receive your payment. They pay out via PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, don't worry because they have other payout methods. They have Skrill, Amazon gift card, Tango card, and even Bitcoin. So access online paid surveys, make money online, get paid today, work from home, and they also have a free join bonus whenever we sign up. Aside from all that, what I love about this website is that this is available on your mobile phone. Actually, it works better on your mobile phone. So this platform is really convenient because even though you're just laying around, even though you're just relaxing, you can still make money online. Of course, in order for this method to work, you have to log in or sign up to their website. In order to do that, I want you to go to rewardingways.com. Yes, the name of this website is rewardingways.com. What I want you to do is click on this join free button right here. So click on that and you'll be redirected to this page right here where you have to sign up and enter your basic demographic information. All you have to do is add your name here, your username, password, email, address, and then right here below your address, okay? And here below your payment accounts and terms. So you just have to agree to the terms right here and put in your payment accounts over here. So if you have a PayPal account, put it here. If you have Skrill, put it here. If you have Payza, and if you have Bitcoin. So after that and after ticking on these boxes right here, I want you to click on I'm not a robot and then register. Just that easy. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering if this is available all over the world, then I want you to scroll up again here on the sign up page. And here under mailing address, you can see country. If we click on that, you can see that there are a lot of different countries to choose from. So this is available worldwide. Okay, so now before we proceed to the next step, I want you guys to go to the comment section right now and comment where you come from, so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that will work in your country. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, so after you complete your sign up process, you'll then be redirected to this page where you can see this. Success! A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. So make sure you enter a real email address, okay? Because you'll have to confirm it. So all you have to do is put in the confirmation code here, confirm it, and then you'll go straight into your account, just like this. So right here you can see, congratulations, you have been successfully registered. We have already added your 20 cents join bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I love about this website. You don't need to wait for a long time because all we need is $1 in order to cash out. Okay, so what we're going to do next is, of course, to make money on this website. So what I want you to do is go over here at the top of the website, hover your mouse over earn money, and you can see that there are a lot of different surveys available for you. Now, I already told you that the surveys here are really easy. So let me just click on popular surveys. And then we'll be redirected to this page right here where there are a lot of different surveys available for you. So it says here, these are the latest top paid surveys and offers. What I need to do is I'm just gonna click on one of these. Of course, you can click whatever you like, and also you can do all of these surveys for more chances of earning money online. Let me just click on this one right here and I'll be redirected here. And as you can see on this page, they only have one survey available today, which is available for 35 cents. Now let me click on another one. This one right here also has one survey available today, and this is available for $1. Now don't worry if you only see one or two surveys, because every day there are new surveys coming in. All you have to do is just log in every day, take these surveys, and complete other offers whenever you finish the surveys. If you guys are liking the video so far, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. What I want you to do now is go back to the home page, and then you'll be able to see here withdraw cash. I want you to click on that. Then we'll land on this page where you can request your withdrawal below. For PayPal, the minimum payout is $1. For Skrill, the minimum payout is $5. And for Bitcoin, the minimum payout is $200. So that's it for this website today. Now that you've reached this far, I will show you guys a bonus website where we can earn money. You can use this to double your earnings. The next website is Squishy Cash. That is squishycash.com. Now what is Squishy Cash? This is a similar website to rewardingways.com, and here you can sign up for free and earn $3 right away upon signing up. Also, this website pays out even more compared to rewardingways.com. And if you don't have PayPal, then they have also a lot of different payout methods right here, as you can see. So you don't have to worry at all. You can see here the payment proofs. We have here a guy who earned over $300, over $200, $100, and $20. If you want to see all the other payment proofs, then click on this right here, view all member posted proof of payments. So again, in order for this method to work, all we have to do is sign up to this website, and that is really easy. What I want you to do is go here at the top, click on join, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here where you'll have to enter basic demographic details about yourself. So that's just all you need. I told you this is similar to rewardingways.com, but this is just better. In order for you to earn money on this website, what you'll need to do is just answer surveys, complete offers, play games, answer short quizzes, and more. So if you want to make money online, if you want to earn free PayPal cash, or if you want to earn gift cards by doing easy things, then I really recommend you guys to sign up to these two websites right here, rewardingways.com and squishycash.com. Again, this is available worldwide, so this will work in all of the countries all over the world. And if ever you don't find your country, just comment down below and tell us where you come from, okay? And that's it. If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.